Let's watch Champions League Final together. Hi you guys, I am watching Arsenal play against PSG for Champions League Final. Yeah, and it's really going really well. The field is very beautiful. Good evening, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stelize, but I prefer being called Meso. So technically this is the first video I'm making in this apartment, like the first proper video. I've still not even done a room tour yet. I'll still do that because I've been setting up like before now. I've not even had strength to vlog or anything. Anyway, that's not the purpose of me setting up my camera right now. Today is Jumi's birthday, my friend Jumi. Yeah, it's her birthday today and we're going for her birthday dinner. And it's almost time. We're supposed to go for dinner by 6 and it's past 4. I'm supposed to be at her place by like 4. So we'll get ready and go. And I'm running late. I don't know what I've been doing all day, but I'm running late. And yeah, today is 6th of June. The last clip I made was me watching the Champions League. Yeah, I was watching the Champions League and I couldn't even make a video afterwards because Arsenal lost and I was supporting Arsenal for the match and Arsenal lost. It was so terrible, but I couldn't do anything about it. Anyway, that's not the whole purpose. So we're going to dinner, and because it's her birthday, I think I'll stop by a mall before I get to her house to buy her cake, maybe a box of cupcake. Yeah. Yeah, that's that. Let me just pick up a few things I would wear to dinner this night and we'll be on our way. I just wanted to give an intro before I start dropping the clips. I've not even gone and I'm in such a hurry right now. So let's do that, okay? The birthday girl.
I have cake.
Yeah.
For me,
When we're ready.
for me, I feel kalala. Ufike mangame kalala. Manje nesinza sizana. Nathi bebanga phela ngabanye. Kithi no hasana. Jiggy jiggy bang kalala chalo wa.
We're here at dinner.
Mangamelu yistagwa. Lenza bangana makala. I'ma kiss, I'ma call Savana. Fellas kule kululu baba. Shivirim, shiviram, she. If you go book, this pussy penga play. So batele lo manga me, yo. Ole bala, I put vale ya. Monkey, lolo.
Give us a cup.
Back, relax.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So I've been home all day today. I took down my braids, did some work on my laptop, and I just got lunch now. I got food from Ultima. See, I just got rice and then a can of malt. That's like what I'm having today. I'm having cramps, so I didn't go to work. I really don't work today, Sha, so I just stayed home. So I just set up the camera to talk to you guys. I don't know why, because it's not like anything is happening. I just wanted to set up the camera. I think the last clip I showed was us us at dinner. Then from my friend's place I went to work. So today is Thursday, Sha. I'm going to go make my hair on either tomorrow or Saturday, because I just took down my braids and washed my hair today. So I'll then make my hair tomorrow on this. I just texted my hairdresser. So I just wanted to have lunch and talk to you guys and go back and lay in bed because my stomach hurts. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing okay too. I know I look like a mad person with my hair, but whatever, I'll be good. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing okay. So I'll bring you guys along whenever I'm making my hair. That's tomorrow or next. And we'll go make my hair and get my nails done. So I want to get my nails done. I feel like it's been a while. And I need my nails to look pretty. I think the last time I did my nails was in April. This is June. Like, I've not done my nails in like over a month. I just want to look pretty and look like a girl. Yeah, nothing crazy, but yeah. Guys, so I wanted to see if the cinema here is showing Color My Life currently, but they are not. So I'm going to come back later. It's literally late, like past 8 p.m. So we're just going to grab fish, and yeah, but this place looks so nice. It looks so nice. And I'm going to make my hair tomorrow. I didn't make it today again. Today is Friday. I didn't make it again today, so I'll make it tomorrow. So I'll just give you guys like the top. The name of the place is Hybrid Eyes, and the chandelier is so beautiful. And then this fish, the tiny fishes. Yeah, let's go.
What's up on the time? When I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. The work I could get it, to do my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sounds. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise.
Making my nails. I'm going to go make my hair now. I came to my former house to come and say hi to some of my friends that are still around. So I just finished that. Let's go make my hair. Oh god, I'm so tired. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today is 14th of June 2026. I'm getting ready for church. This is the first time I'm going to church in this new area I moved to. So I'm actually dressed for church just to put on my footwear and will be ready to go. So sense of the day. I like going to church for the first Sunday. So I couldn't go to church last week and I felt really bad about that. So I'm but that was because I moved from where I used to stay. So I didn't have a church around here. So the church I'm going to is not because I'm an Anglican, but I found this Methodist church along the road. So I'm going to the church. I don't know if I would like it, but let's go check out the church. If I like it, I'll just keep going to it. If I don't, I will not. I actually grew up with Orthodox religion. I grew up Anglican, so I kind of prefer their mode of service. Do you get so? And this perfume I bought during my birthday is almost finished. I was preserving it. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong? Sorry, this angle I'm shooting in is literally showing my entire room, I think. So I don't know if I'll find a better angle, but for now we'll stick to this. So this is the footwear I'm wearing, and this is the dress, we're fully dressed. So we'll be on our way now because church is for 8 and it's 3 minutes past 8. So we're late. And
What be like that fake it gone? You do a lot long for my city gone. You know be run
life everlasting.
and waiting go be man is casting stone. But you a lot long for my salute. Nobody validates when they sham you. I do a lot long to come here. Can't imagine.
Lovelies, I don't know if I'm very visible, but this is the last clip of this video. I'm literally using my flash from my camera to make this video because there is no light. But I got ready, going to grab dinner and flaunt my new hair. You know how they say if you make a new hair, you don't know how fine it is till you do your makeup. I shall know my hair is fine, but I shall still do my makeup. So I'm going to go grab dinner. And yeah, this is how I look like. I'll still do a full outfit check. But this is the last clip of this video. Um, this is the last clip of this vlog. Sorry. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I love the engagement so far. You guys have been very, very nice. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And to more growth on YouTube. I'm going to celebrate 175 subscribers currently. So you guys should keep subscribing. Please, I need 500 subscribers. Please, before next month. I'm being dramatic, but please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, in my next vlog next week, please. Okay. Yeah, but I'll still stand up. I don't know. There's no lights, but if I see lights, I'll show you guys my full outfit. And I look very good. I look very good. I'm wearing my favorite color.
Yeah, every day I know that I am blind. So tight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Don't say man no face. Vibe to pay. These kind of things in a life to
And I had a glass of margarita. 2 glasses. Hello, so I came out from our eating. TV. And I had margaritas today too. So I feel like margarita is currently my favorite choice of drink. I'm a real fan. I love my nose, my hair, and everything.
You see all these sexy guys in the club. Oh, girl, I wanna order you tonight. Every time you walk in the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life.